Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to do something really fun. So today I've got a picture of myself here. I wanted to take this photo, a fun photo, to see what I could do with it. So I'm going to go over to my apps section. I'm going to search for anime. And there's one in particular that I want to use. It's called Animeify, this one right here. So I'll select that one. And right away, it brings up an image of myself. And then underneath, we can enter custom instructions. So I'm going to follow the same cue that it's giving me in this box. It says ultra cute change background to forest, but I'm not going to change it to a forest. I'm actually going to change it to pastel flowers. So I'll just say ultra cute change background to pastel colored flowers. Underneath here, we have classic mode. It says want more variety. This mode adds an extra creative touch to your results. I'll keep it on. And the next option is preserve composition. So meaning preserve the original composition of the image. That might be for if you're using it over and over and over again, it preserves the original image. Now note that for Animeify, we have 1 of 1 credit. That means once I use it today, it will not be replenished until tomorrow around the same time. And of course, like any other third-party app, there is an option to subscribe to get more credits. I'm going to go ahead and click on the purple button, and it's going to work its magic. All right, so here is what it has produced for me. I think this is kind of cool. I'm going to add this to my page. Now, of course, if you want to try to regenerate it, you can do that too. That is, if you have more credits. And the same with starting over. I don't have any more credits, so I'm just going to add this one to my design, and we're going to compare the two. So here they are side by side. I wish I had a little bit more shoulder here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to edit, and I'm going to go to Magic Studio, and I'm going to use the option to magic expand to make it larger. I'm going to use freeform. And I'm just going to extend this a little bit more. I'll extend that higher too, because I want my face to be kind of in the middle so that I could possibly use this as a profile picture. So I'll say expand, and it's going to give me 4 different options here. They might not be perfect, but all I really want is that center part to be perfect. Okay, so that's not bad. That's not bad. So that's pretty much how Animeify works and Magic Expand. Now, as I mentioned before, when we're using Animeify, we only have 1 credit. And I do want to try this out a little bit more. So I'll wait 24 hours before I do the next part to convert a couple of more pictures into anime characters. All right, so that was this design. Today I've got this design. It's an image of a cute little dog. Again, I'm going to go to my apps, and I am going to look for Animeify. Here it is right here. And remember, I've got 1 credit per day, so I'm going to choose that image, and I'll just say ultra cute change background to dog treats. And I'll say Animeify image. And here it is right here. I'm going to add this image to my workspace, and we can compare the two side by side. So that is one, and this is the other one. I'm going to grab this one and just put it to the back just so that we can compare them. But what do you think about these two images? I'm not sure that this one is, Animeified. I kind of like this one a lot better, to be quite honest with you. But what do you think? For the last image, we're going to try and convert this couple, bride and groom, into an anime character. So I'm just going to click on the Animeify app, and I'll click the image, and then in here I'll say ultra cute image, and I'll select Animeify. All right, so here is the image. I'm going to add this to my workspace. I'm just going to put it there for a sec. I'm going to minimize this one. Just get rid of that green box there, and I'll make that larger so that we can compare the two side by side. So what do you think? I think this is actually super cute. We can see that it maintained the background, but it animeified the bride and the groom, and I think that looks super sweet. That's nice, even for a wedding invitation. So what did you think? Aside from the fact that you only get 1 credit to use per day, and I've had to do this over 3 days to do 3 separate examples, I think this app is actually really, really super cool. So that was a couple. This is the little chihuahua with his little tongue sticking out. And then this is the image of me and the animeified character. So which one do you like best? 1, 2, or 3? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know what do you think of this app. Try it and let me know what you think, and whether you might subscribe to get 100 credits per day. Let me know in the comments. If you learned anything in this tutorial, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. And if you want to hear more about my live classes, ask me in the comments. Also, I've got a Discord server, just in case you didn't know. And if you're into Discord more than you are Facebook, you'll find the link in the description of this video. All right, guys, for now, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.